guy who I told before, Daniel James. This is my like fifth attempt to make a video, so please, I have been really bored. I'll just show you his attributes and traits. So here you go. Here's his attributes. Sprint speed. Wow, that's good. 140. 80 for volley. That's not so good. 123 long shot. Great. 121 shot power is also great. I just upgraded like 6 levels, so this is really great. 122 agility and ball control. Guys, this guy is good. Heading is although very bad. 61. I'll never use him for heading or marking. Free kick is 71, that's bad. Curve is 78, that's also bad. But dribbling is great. Let's see. Okay. His attack work rate is high. Defense work rate is medium. That's good. That's overall it's good. His special trait is speed dribbler. And his celebration is waddle. Like a duck. And tap skill is roulette and swipe skill is heel to heel. Okay guys. I'll just show you whatever. He came player bio. He's a top prospects bio. So this is his skill boost, like whatever got upgraded. +7, +7, volley, +5. Okay. Guys, I showed you, so I'll just go. Okay, and the commentary will be done by me and my sister. Okay guys, now I'll just go to the top prospects. Over here we have a daily match. Here I'll be showing you how he plays. Don't mind if it's a little slow because I felt it's really slow.
Yes, the network is really slow.
And it's written there. You may experience low performance due to your device. So guys, please hang on with me. I'm not as great as the other players. But I'm telling you, if you want a place where you can reach 90 OVR or 100 OVR really fast, this is the perfect event. Okay, let's see if I can score a goal over here. Oh, that guy defended me? Really? Can't believe. Okay, yeah, it's James. James pass is nice.
Since the other team already has one goal,
it's going to be a little hard.
More.
Ooh, that was great. That was a great assist. Oh, but this guy shot it off. It's with Walker. Walker will pass to James over there. Okay, not James. Yeah. Okay, and let's see that. Oh, did that go? Oh, that was nice. Okay, now who should I give it? I'll give it to like a new guy. Daka. He's actually from the new prospects era. And he scores. Wow, that was great. His heading is great.
Yes, he's the best header.
Don't worry, I'll feature him in my other player review. Guys, Vidal over there. Yo, that Vidal I featured in my other
video.
And the time is over. It's okay.
It's just half time.
That was pretty saddening actually. Now let's see. Daka. It's Vidal. Oh, Vidal misses. Daka again. Oh, still. These guys are passing really well. Yeah, but my defense is also not so bad. Fofana passes to this guy.
Don't mind his name, Fofana.
Yeah, it's not so funny actually.
It is.
No, that was a really nice shot. So let's see. Fofana. But as Nidhi, my sister said, don't mind his name. He's pretty well actually.
He's really well.
That's Muriel. Muriel pass to James. Oh, what a assist! He had a chance to score, but he was so humble. He pass to Vidal, who scored up, obviously. I know this guy went from Barcelona to like Inter Milan, the transfer, but in the UCL event, I think he's a pretty brilliant player. If you're searching for a 96 OVR player, he's pretty brilliant. Okay. So now I got a lead. It's that tackle was by Lewandowski. It's Vidal.
Lewandowski passes to Vidal.
And this is Daka. Now, my aim was to show you James, right? Pass to this guy. Okay. That actually did so that I can show you how he plays. Okay, it's James. James
scores.
It's a goal. So this guy has a really good long shot ability, but not so great curves. So please don't try with curves. And can you see that? He's my captain.
Don't
Really
mind
fun.
about his actions.
Yeah, that's actually called waddling. That's his celebration style. I know it's a little dumb. But I think the bass player Son Heung-min also has the same thing.
Yeah, he has the exact same thing.
It's called the waddle.
Maybe both of them has the same style or both of
Yeah,
them
it's-
copied.
It's actually these guys who give it. Unless you have a actual style, they'll just give it to you. Okay, it's... Oh, Daka was offside? That's bad. He was way far offside. That was a shot. I know, these guys always shoot. Almost always. Like Vidal passes to James. What happened? Oh, that was a foul? Okay. Vidal, go fast. Oh, Vidal misses? Wow. This guy is Vidal, his attack work and defense work rate is high. So he is pretty good. As a midfielder, he is pretty good for me. Yeah, that was Fofana. Okay, Daka. Yeah, now I'll show you how James dribbles. Let's see if James can score. And he scores!
Wow! This time
He scores for the second time.
Really lucky.
He wasn't lucky. His like special trait is speed dribbler. So this is a moments where you want to use him. He's good for incredible solo goals as well as Daka. Daka, don't worry, I'll be mentioning him in another video of mine. This guy, he's priceless, Muriel. I'm telling you, he's priceless. As he showed you now, he's priceless. Okay, that's Daka. He's really fast actually.
He even hugged a person
He
in the match.
had to. Okay, let's see. Pass to James. Oh, it's Vidal. Oh,
We
Vidal's
mentioned Vidal in the last video.
Oh, that cannot possibly actually called the defense line because those guys also jumped front. Oh, I win. This guy is really cool, Vidal. You know what? I'm going to show you another video with a little more weaker team. Not another video actually. The continuation of this video. Sorry, my mistake.
It's okay.
I'll just go to the Hazard event and again show you what this James is worth. Let's go to the Hazard event. I know, like the daily warm matches, they're not so boring for me. Usually I don't play this. Okay, oh, we have Manchester United. I'll show you those guys also. They're. Oh. Manchester United might be the best team we can play against, right? It's Daniel James and he's from Manchester United. Right, Nidhi?
Yes.
So we need to destroy them, of course. What's Suzuki? Isn't that a company's name?
So,
Also a player too? Ooh,
Suzuki. Maybe
nice. It's James over here. Let's see.
Let's
His
see.
trait is speed dribbler, but not so much. Hey, not so bad in defense also. Oh, that was great. That goalie was good.
Actually, dumber.
No, that was brilliant actually. Now, who I clicked just now? That's Willie Orban, captain of the RB Leipzig. I know.
That was not at all.
That was a little bad, wasn't it? A little heartbreaking, as I would say. It's Dijon. It's James, Daniel James. He passes. Hi. I didn't want him to pass. His header is bad, but according to me, that guy is even worse.
Why did you pass it to the other guy?
I didn't pass it actually. It's getting. These guys are a little laggish. Bushiri. Yeah. Bushiri. Let's see what he can do. Ooh. Although still I think that was a pretty good shot by him. Now I'll be clicking Daka, who's great at heading.
And it's a goal by Daka!
Don't worry guys, I'll be mentioning him. He's an absolute beast for 95 over, and you guys can get him really easily.
Why is he a beast?
Beast, like I didn't mean it badly, Nidhi. It's actually a good word. Like he plays like a beast.
That means he's really bad.
No, he's actually good. Okay, I just lagged that so that I can pass
And
this
it's
guy.
Daniel James. Daniel
Nice,
James
man,
passes to. And it's too.
That was yeah. I knew that would have been a foul. And it's Vidal who gets the penalty. Let's see what Vidal can do.
Oh, that's a goal!
I showed him in my previous video. He's great, if you ask me.
He's a really great person.
It's Taka is good for tackling too. If he's as good as he plays here in FIFA Mobile, I recommend some good team should buy him. Cut him. Nice. Fafana, Daka and score. Ooh, no score. Guys, I'm just lagging this for you. We need to see that Manchester United match. I want him to score against Manchester United. Ooh, that was fun. James. Oh, he tackles well. Not so bad actually. Not as bad as the stats I thought. When his defense work rate was so bad, I thought it would be bad. But not so much. Oh, there. And he scores it. Vidal scores again.
Daniel James.
No, not Daniel James, maybe. Daniel James was there, but
Vidal scores. Sorry to say, Daniel James. Fall down.
So, guys, don't worry.
You
We need the captain to score. And he is going against not a normal team. He's going against his own team. Ready, guys? Please be ready because I'm like so ready. I just want to see this match. I just want to see it. It's going to be brilliant. Ooh. I like it. The both of them are standing near to near. Oh, James. That's Harry Maguire, his own teammate. You know, I used to have him. But he's not as good as this guy. Ooh. If that wasn't offside, that would have been a pretty good goal. I just checked his curve shots, which was given bad, but I don't feel so bad. I mean, that curved pretty well. Why? Why did you shoot, man? You gave it to De Gea. I feel so that way. Muriel, take it back, man. Just give him a chance. It's James over there. Let's see what he can do. Oh, Lindelof. You know, there was actually 102 OVR version of that guy. Ooh. It was actually a pass mistake. If you passed a little early, that could have been saved easily. Muriel. Daka passed it. See, again a pass mistake. Okay. That's a mistake by him actually. But again, I don't blame him. People may mistake. It is a more human type of game. Let's dribble over him. Yeah. Beautiful assist by him. Let's see if that's worth. Oh, it's worth it.
It's a goal by Daka.
But assisted by James. That was a beautiful assist. That's what I need. That's what I need, guys.
That's what he needs. Right?
Yeah. Ooh, Bruno Fernandes. That guy was also 100.
Come on. Win.
I got an early goal. Now it's with Vidal. Let's see. Vidal. Pass to Daniel. Yeah, nice. Now let's see who's. Okay, I just want to show him to you. Ooh, now let's see what he can do with my hand controls. Oh, I'm bad. See, this guy sprints really well. Orban. Nice. Walker. Muriel. Nice. Vidal. Why did you shoot?
That was not mentioned in this.
However, Vidal is a good player. I know I'm repeating this for a long time, but I have mentioned him in my other videos. Let's see. Oh, the goalkeeper came a little too fast. But it's of course David De Gea, so we can't blame him. He's great. He's a player It's half time. The captain. Come on, captain. Let's do this.
James is the captain of my brother's team.
Muriel is priceless. I will never blame him. Orban. Oh. Yeah, that was a nice cross. Okay, my sister's leaving the show.
So bye guys.
It's actually my sister, don't worry. I'm
My
staying
brother is still gonna stay here. Let's see you next time in my YouTube channel.
Oh! You don't give a foul for that? I don't know what you would give a foul for. Let's see. Bruno Fernandes, Keletakar. Come on, Keletakar, receive it. Okay, if you don't know who he is, he's actually from the final Croatia team. Oh, my goalie. Pass to my goalie. He shoots like a beast. Now I need to find my guy over there. Oh, Lindelof. Dangerous players, I tell you. Oh, I tackled James. Oh, I wish I could tackle James with James. It's Shaw. Oh, it's James versus James. Oh, napping. Yeah, James versus James. The other James is coming to tackle me. Wow, their goal is pretty good actually. Because just now I played with an like 90 over team and my forwards almost blasted them. And this guy is 80 over and his goalie, but of course, it's David De Gea. Ooh, who's that? Need to keep. Yeah, but my defense is great. Fofana. If you don't know him, he's actually from AS Monaco. Youssouf Fofana. What do you think? I'll show you what's the price of this guy. He plays like a beast. He is a beast. An amazing shot. However, our Man United player did actually make a difference. He actually did an awesome assist. Or shall I say a shot. It curved well, but not enough to make a goal. So thank you guys for watching it. Thank you so much. Just showed you in the first match. He scored like hell. Now, I guess he got bored. United, that's why. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe.